Something very silly?
Yes. It's very funny. I hopped right out of bed, and my mom and dad said, no little monkeys jumping on the bed. And then somebody else told me something.
What's that?
Justin Bieber's told me today is not his birthday.
Oh no.
You know why?
Why?
Because he got sick. It's very sad because he
Really sad, Mom. Don't laugh.
he got kind of sicky because he had a tummy ache. So he had to stay home.
And it makes it not his birthday today because he's sick?
Yep.
Oh.
So we'll probably see him tomorrow.
Okay.
So
Tell me
I'm
something
gonna go
else,
back
silly.
to my house. Until he wakes up again, I'm going to hop right out of bed.
And no more monkeys jumping on the bed?
I jumped right out of the bed this morning. And today, Justin Bieber's visiting me here with his best friend. You know who it is?
Mia?
No. His girlfriend. It is Macy Lurie. Hello, Macy Lurie. And today, I get to be the world Espanol princess.
You do?
Hello, New York, and sing happy birthday. On a count of 3, 1, 2, 3, let's go! Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mia.
Wait, stop it. Stop, freeze. Wait a minute. We're supposed to say one more singing. We're supposed to say happy birthday, Justin Bieber. Let's rock star. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday
to
rock
you, rock star.
Happy
Birthday, you rock star.
Happy birthday, rock star. Happy birthday, rock star. Happy birthday, dear Justin Bieber. Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
Woo!